What's up, everybody? It's Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here today. Good to see you. I've got a couple of auction buys here for you. Two, actually. The Dark Cherry 2012 V6, 96,000 miles. And then we've got this 2013, the new body style Ford Fusion Hybrid. Now, this one was bought from the government auction. This one we actually bought off an individual that adopted 3 children, and they were looking for a fast sale. So, it's not perfect. It's missing the eye there in Fusion. But it's in pretty darn good shape for $6,500. Now tell me a new body style hybrid for $6,500 is not a bad deal. It's got pretty good Goodyear tires all the way around. It's got the blinkers and the mirror. Of course, there's your hybrid badging. It does have one ding and scratch right there, but other than that, it's really in good shape. Just needs a good wash. The interior's in good shape. They didn't haul a bunch of kids. Let's see, here's the key fob. It's a switchblade key. This is kind of a base model, so it doesn't have a lot of equipment. But it does have nice touches like the piano black, nice soft touches. I like the black cloth. I mean, this black cloth looks good, considering it can get pretty stained and pretty bad. It's got your keyless for the exterior. All your power window, door lock, mirrors, power driver's seat. I mean, everything on it looks really good. I think it has 119,000 miles. Oh. Yep, 119. Let's take her for a drive. I don't think the 13th came with a backup camera unless you had the optional, souped up stereo. Got our little green leaves. They average 38 miles to gallon coming in from their little trip. That ain't bad. Man, these things you sit deep. I sit deep in this car. Let's get some AC going because I'm burning up. Let's get some fan going. All right, so we got, of course, Microsoft Sync, power parking brake. Got USB, aux, cigarette lighter. I mean, this is a clean car. It's the first time I'm seeing it. My brother and his girlfriend brought them in today. We've stopped here just to check them out. They're taking a pit stop before they head back to Chattanooga with them. But I helped him out with that one, the black, the dark cherry one. But he actually found this one online. And he showed it to me. I was like, dude, you better go get that car. Let's take it for a drive. All right, it's an EV only mode right now at the moment. Still in EV mode. I'm impressed. Wow. Those first gen Fusions, that if you go back a couple of years, my earlier videos, they would only roll about 10 or 15 feet before the motor kicked on. Two-owner car. Like I said, the guy and his wife, they adopted 3 children, all at one swing. Can you imagine? So they're needing a SUV. Okay, there goes the engine. I just heard it crank up. The EV light went away, and now the battery is indicating that it's charging. Okay. Yeah, we got some gasoline going now. very smooth compared to the first gen. Now, I love the first gen hybrids, but I can tell a big difference as far as smoothness in this generation. This would be a highway road machine. Got your little efficiency leaves. Got let's see, your cruise control, all your Bluetooth and sync stuff. Let's see, wonder what kind of menus we got on here. Kilowatts per hour. Oh, and a little mile per gallon meter. Okay. Alright. 281 miles to empty. It's got about 2/3 of a tank. And there's a temperature gauge right there. We'll leave it right there for now. Moves out pretty nice. Rides, it has a firm ride, but it rides good. This air conditioner is blistering cold. Holy cow, it's cold. And today it was another 96-degree day. Go up here and do our little 0 to 60 spot and get it up to some freeway speed. I have no idea what's under the hood of this thing, people. No clue. But I'm going to take a guess. Okay, not bad. Not great, but not bad. I mean, for a hybrid and a CVT, it is what it is. I'm going to take a guess that this is a 2-liter 4-cylinder under the hood, probably borrowed from the Focus, maybe. And then, of course, the hybrid battery motor, which I have no idea what horsepower outputs, torque numbers are, nothing. Comment below. Tell me what's in this thing. I don't have a clue. But let me just say this. I'm going to shut up. I'm going to set the cruise. Whoa, I'm not going to run off the road. And man, this thing is quiet and smooth. Unbelievable. I do see here, oh, let me get my camera in there. I do see where it says eco mode and it shows the cruise control set on 63, so that's kind of cool. Man, I want one of these. This is going to be for sale. Not sure what the price is going to be yet. We usually try to make about $1,000 to $1,500 on them. I mean, you know, we're a used car dealer. We have to if we're going to keep the doors open. And we don't, it's not, I mean, me and my brother both have full-time jobs. This is just a side gig. He just renewed our insurance and bond and all that stuff, and it ended up costing like $4,000 or something. So, you know, we got to sell a few cars to make up for this. I did today sign up for this auto auction right here. Now, this is my on my way to work. So I did sign up today for America's Auto Auction. I used to go here when I was younger, and it was a different name. They had a public dealer sale. But now it's, you know, they have a Friday dealer-only sale. I think they do when they get the government vehicles. That's public and open to the, you know, open to the public. But they have one Friday sale. See, they got a few cars that are sitting out here waiting for pickup, waiting for trucks to pick them up. Feel sorry for whoever bought that Range Rover back there. I don't know if y'all caught that. But yeah, I got signed up with these guys today to have my Access ID number, and I can come Friday morning at 9 a.m. and start bidding. This is right by the house, y'all. They handle all of Hennessy Lexus and all of the Hennessy Automotive Group's trade-ins. And get this, they handle 3 of the largest Mercedes dealerships in Atlanta. I had no idea. So you know I'm stoked. Not bad, man. It's really got a little bit of ass in it. Not bad. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about the auction. And I'm going to ask them beforehand and see if I can do some filming while I'm there. I just can't get to Chattanooga and do it anymore. So my brother goes there. That's where he bought the dark cherry one, and I just don't have time to get down to Atlanta, downtown. I mean, it's just, well, it's beyond downtown. It's south side, airport side. So this auction will be nice. It'll have some good quality dealer trade-ins, and hopefully a host of Benzes. Hopefully with the Hennessy Group, they have a large Lexus presence here in Atlanta. Hennessy Lexus, they have, I think, 3 locations. So that'll be cool. So yeah, just cruising 68 miles per hour. I wonder what my instantaneous fuel economy is. All it'll give me is an average, 38.1. Oh well. Surely it's in there somewhere. I'm just not finding it. If I take my eyes off the road for just a second, I'll run off. The steering is very accurate, very responsive, and it's heavy. It weights up real heavy when you get up to speed. So, nice car. 2013 Ford Fusion Hybrid SE, kind of your base model. Might be a step up. I don't even know if they offer the hybrid in the S. But this has got everything you need and nothing you don't. I'm very impressed, very impressed. Like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. It supports the channel. I make a whopping $200 a month. Oh Lord, yeah, talk about a slow grow channel. But you know, I don't edit and put a ton of work into this. This is all just shot from the hip from my cell phone. I don't have time for all that shit. Damn, sit down editing and put music to it and all that crap. So if you want just true POV video footage from a good old Georgia boy, this is the channel. Comment, I read all the comments, usually respond to most of them. So do me a favor and do that today. Thank y'all. We'll see you with the next one, which will be the Cherry V6 Fusion. Peace.